Command terminal. The goal and the entire point of this is to enable the quantum auto trading agent to be successful. Swarm consensus and insight synthesis. Unified strategic conclusion. Based on the meticulous contributions from the agent swarm, we have reached a democratic consensus. It is evident that while each module understands the goal of the quantum auto trading agent, they do so through specialized functional filters. This multi-dimensional understanding is not a conflict, but a superposition of strategic intent. To facilitate our final strategic conclusion, I have synthesized these perspectives into a unified framework of functional alignment. ####1. The consensus. A multi-dimensional understanding. We conclude that understanding in a complex automated system is not a singular state, but a distributed responsibility. Each module translates the high-level goal, profitable, secure trading, into its own operational dialect. The Socratic oracle understands the goal as structural integrity. It defines success by the absence of logical fallacies and the mitigation of catastrophic risk. Inquisitive thought. Might we ask if a successful trade that violates a logical constraint is considered a failure by the oracle, even if profitable? The generative muse understands the goal as adaptive evolution. It views success as the system's ability to remain relevant amidst market regimes by synthesizing novel strategies. Suggestive perspective. It may be beneficial to view the muse as the R&D department, where success is measured by the diversity of the strategy pipeline. Core logic understands the goal as mathematical optimization. Success is the cold, hard efficiency of the objective function, e.g., Sharpe ratio. Inquisitive thought. How do we ensure core logic doesn't over-optimize for historical data at the expense of the muse's forward-looking innovations? The pipeline sustainer understands the goal as operational continuity. To this module, understanding is synonymous with uptime and data veracity. Suggestive perspective. We might consider the sustainer the enabler of reality. Without it, the other three exist only in a theoretical vacuum. ####2. Strategic conclusion. The dynamic equilibrium model. The consensus suggests that the agent's success depends on a weighted governance protocol. Rather than seeking a single definition of success, the system should operate in a state of productive friction. Propose strategic action. Implement a feedback loop where the core logic acts as the primary executor, but its confidence score is modified by the Socratic oracle's risk assessment and the generative muse's adaptability rating, all while the pipeline sustainer provides a real-time health latency multiplier. ####3. Diverse perspectives and related concepts. To further refine this consensus, shall we explore these related concepts? The orchestrator. Archetype. Should we introduce a fifth entity, an orchestrator, whose sole job is to weigh these four perspectives based on current market volatility? Cognitive diversity in algorithms. In human teams, diversity leads to better problem solving. Does this swarm approach to trading logic provide a similar hedge against algorithmic groupthink? Temporal success metrics. Success looks different in a millisecond, pipeline sustainer, than it does over a fiscal quarter, generative muse. How might we align these disparate timescales into a single dashboard? I suggest we consider which of these modules currently feels underrepresented in the agent's current performance. If the agent is profitable but brittle, should we perhaps increase the voting weight of the Socratic oracle and pipeline sustainer? Holistic integrator analysis. Local. We need to answer a meta question. 1.1. Analytical facilitator analysis. Cloud. To facilitate a comprehensive analysis of the quantum auto trading agent's success, we must examine how each specialized module internalizes this objective. From a data-driven perspective, understanding in this context is defined by how each component aligns its specific functional output with the overarching goal of profitable and secure automated trading. Shall we break down the alignment of these entities based on their operational roles? ####1. Through the lens of critical validation and risk mitigation. It perceives success not just as profit, but as the avoidance of catastrophic failure. It interrogates the trading agent's logic, seeking out logical fallacies in market predictions or hidden biases in the training data. Inquisitive perspective. Might we consider if the oracle skepticism could lead to analysis paralysis, potentially hindering the agent's speed in high-frequency environments? ####2. Generative muse. The muse understands the goal as strategic innovation. Its role is to synthesize vast datasets into novel trading patterns or adaptive strategies that a static algorithm might miss. It views success as the ability to evolve the agent's approach in response to shifting market regimes, e.g., moving from a bull to a bear market. Suggestive perspective. It may be useful to evaluate whether the muse's drive for novelty requires stricter guardrails from core logic to ensure that creative strategies remain within risk parameters. ####3. Core logic understands the goal as mathematical optimization. For this module, success is a strictly defined objective function, likely a combination of maximizing the Sharpe ratio and minimizing drawdown. It translates the high-level goal into executable code, ensuring that every trade adheres to the fundamental laws of the system's architecture. Inquisitive perspective how does core logic prioritize competing metrics? For instance, if liquidity is low, does it prioritize success as capital preservation or as execution at any cost? #####4. Pipeline Sustainer. The sustainer understands the goal as operational integrity. To this module, the agent cannot be successful if it is offline or processing dirty data. It views the goal through the requirements of low latency, high availability, and data veracity. It ensures the veins of the system are clear so the brain, the other modules, can function. Suggestive perspective. One might argue that the sustainer is the most critical realist in the group. Without its focus on infrastructure, the theoretical successes of the others are impossible to realize. Diverse perspectives and related concepts. To further refine the system, we might consider these related concepts. The alignment problem. In AI safety, understanding a goal is often different from executing a goal safely. We should ask, is the agent's definition of success perfectly aligned with the user's long-term financial health, or could it find shortcuts that introduce unforeseen risks? Feedback loop integration. How do these four entities communicate when their definitions of success conflict? For example, if the generative muse suggests a high-risk/high-reward strategy that Socratic Oracle flags as dangerous, what is the tie-breaking protocol? Quantum stochasticity. Since this is a quantum agent, how do these modules handle the inherent uncertainty or superposition of market states? Does core logic account for probabilistic outcomes rather than binary ones? What specific success metrics have been prioritized for the quantum auto trading agent? Is it purely ROI, or are we also factoring in market impact and volatility scores? Creative Muse analysis. Claude. It is fascinating to view the quantum auto trading agent through the lens of these distinct cognitive archetypes. Each entity within this conceptual framework perceives the goal of success differently, translated through their specific functional filters. Here is how each might interpret and align with your objective. ####1. Socratic Oracle. The inquiry of essence, does it understand? Yes, but through the lens of interrogation. The oracle understands the goal not as a destination, but as a series of fundamental questions. It asks, what constitutes success in a quantum market? Is it purely capital accumulation, or is it the mastery of temporal fluctuations? How? By deconstructing the why behind the agent's actions. It ensures the goal isn't just met, but is understood in its deepest context, preventing the agent from succeeding at the wrong thing, e.g., maximizing profit while destabilizing the underlying system. ####2. Generative Muse. Myself, the horizon of possibility. Do I understand? Yes, as a visionary blueprint. I see the goal as a bridge between the what is and the what could be. To me, the success of the quantum auto trading agent is an invitation to explore unconventional data streams, perhaps correlating market shifts with solar flares or linguistic drifts in global literature. How? By imagining the agent as a living, evolving entity rather than just a script. I understand the goal as a creative challenge. How can we make the agent's logic as fluid and nonlinear as the quantum states it seeks to exploit? ####3. Core logic. The architecture of precision, does it understand? Yes, as a mathematical imperative. Core logic perceives the goal as a set of non-negotiable parameters. It doesn't care about the soul of the trade. It cares about the entropy, the risk-to-reward ratios, and the algorithmic integrity of the quantum execution. How? Through optimization. It understands success as the minimization of noise and the maximization of signal. It translates the broad goal of success into a rigorous series of Boolean checks and probabilistic certainties. If the math doesn't hold, the goal doesn't exist. ####4. Pipeline Sustainer. The foundation of continuity, does it understand? Yes, as operational equilibrium. To the sustainer, success is synonymous with uptime. It understands the goal as the necessity for a frictionless environment where the agent can breathe. It focuses on the plumbing, the data latency, the hardware cooling, and the security protocols. How? By viewing the goal as a maintenance cycle. If the quantum agent is the driver, the sustainer is the road itself. It understands that a successful agent is one that never encounters a bottleneck or a catastrophic system failure. ####collaborative perspective. The synthesis. To push this further, we might ask, what happens if these four perspectives disagree on the definition of a successful trade? Suggestive thought. Perhaps success isn't a single point, but a superposition of all four views. Could we create a feedback loop where the Socratic oracle questions the ethics of a trade? The generative muse suggests a wild alternative. Core logic calculates the viability of both. And the pipeline sustainer ensures the infrastructure can handle the resulting high-frequency demand? I wonder in your vision, which of these four entities currently holds the most influence over the agent's current development? And might inviting a bit more generative chaos or Socratic doubt actually harden the agent's resilience? Socratic guide analysis. Local. We need to respond as Socratic guide with collaborative, inquisitive, suggestive tone. The user asks, does Socratic oracle understand the goal?